his comparative home. While on the way, Antonio cannot stop thinking of his wife. His heart beats so fast. Finally, he's at home.
Ano dyan? Sponsor. Kita ang sponsor dyan.
Boys nowadays are the most sensitive patients in the world. You're all very with us. That will allow them to control your heart. We will think of looking for other girls and crossing our path. Yeah, love to you too.
As a wife, you always scream.
Oh my God. Okay, just don't be mad, please.
Ever since you married, I've tried to be the best wife for you. Can't you see? I even know so you are very serious for you.
Just like any other couple, they also dispute with each other. However, because love overflows their heart, prompt is the tickle of the clock, they are somehow fine.
Leo. Noy, ito sa kusipin na Leo. Waiting ka dyan. Waiting ka dyan. Hindi siya mawashing ang ako kamot naman dishwashing ang mawashing. Ano ba gusto buta? Buta naman ka mo. Tingnan ko sige mo. Ay, saan ba tayo? Kung banggi, palod ang wala siya. May mga ito na kabungin ako. Eh, pala sa dalawa daw ako palod ang wala. Saan ba yan? Kumato, gawas na. Lagyan mo ito. Ito yung mga ko sa mga. Ay, hindi. Ito sa time na ako namin.
Nothing, Mr. Tolkien is true. He has come and died. The right side? Hey! 4 years, 10 years, 20 years, 100 years? Or do you want it to wait for a lifetime?
300 years.
Every time you sit down, you realize why. And you can imagine that here, in our house,
Ibul tu jangan sembal luas kita bul. Saya malas sama tu. Saya malas sama tu. Saya malas sama tu sebentar.
all through those days, but silence can shout in my ears. How could I be someone I never met? I'm so tired of this life. I'm so tired. I want to die. I want to die.
Stop that! Don't you think that I'm not trying? I'm working up here from sunrise to sundown just to provide on it. And how can you keep me safe? That I will feel the loneliness of
Sige pala
walking
sa
alone.
oras.
I do it like that.
Yun ay araw ng Marcos. Ay may guna.
Besides, I should not be the one to be blamed for this.
Ako nga na to. Ako ay nakakasi.
No one should be down for this.
Oo, tama. Oo, kutsilyo.
Clean the table. Wash those dishes. Now give me a time for the night of Christmas.
You say so?
I, the last one.
Every time you do this, I always wash the dishes. What do you say? Wash up the sun. I will wash those dishes. Then if you want, I will touch those dishes. Never, never, never.
Who do you expect to wash those dishes? Me. I'm the husband. I work hard all through the day. And now you're asking me to wash those dishes? I do not wash those dishes.
Perfect. Good. So yun nagpapalitan.
Wash those dishes or else.
Or else what? Tell me what?
For God's sake, Elena, would just do it. A simple thing as this. We're supposed to talk about it.
What? I'm not sure this
Then so time had passed. Second becomes minute, minutes becomes hour. But still no sound, the couple had gone. When their stubbornness is put into great test, Lolita arrived.
Tapos sa lawa yan.
Are you here? You are Elena. Are you there?
This is time.
Say beautiful name or Lolita. Oh, there you are. I'm sorry if I didn't make this afternoon. I've been in the shop. He's great. He can help fever when you see all the leaves. Stop on the patient's forehead. Laughing to when they use on his feet. And even castinos with shirts and
Lalatig-latigod kayo na dyan. Lalatigod niya na dyan.
How great is your man?
Papayag ko na bibigyan na dyan.